Hi, I'm Nilesh and I can help you become unstoppable. I'm also known as Success Coach Nilesh and I work with people to help them in their career, life, or business. You might be someone who is feeling stuck in your life, or you might be someone who has loss of confidence, or you might be feeling a lot of fear, what to do, what not to do, or maybe fear of failure, or so many other things. Or you're probably someone who's looking for financial freedom, or you might be someone who is looking to start their business or grow their business. Whatever is the reason, if you're feeling stuck, I can help you. I have helped so many people from past 12 plus years to help them be unstoppable in their life, career, and business. I want to invite you to a special program called as Be Unstoppable Bootcamp. And in this bootcamp, you'll get the right knowledge with the help of right coach to help you be unstoppable. Right now, the bootcamp is offered for free. So click on the link below somewhere around the video so that you will get the free access and a free ticket to join the bootcamp. Once you join the bootcamp, you will learn everything that you need to know, what is making you stop, and at the same time, what you can do to achieve the great success in your life, career, or business. So guys, don't wait. Click on the link below and join this free Be Unstoppable Bootcamp. See you there. Take care. Bye. Go ahead, click on the link below. Before you, there are so many people have joined. So many people have joined my workshop. So many people have worked with me in their career side, business side, or in their life. So from 12 plus years, I have helped 100,000 plus people. So guys, go ahead, click on the link below, join me for the Be Unstoppable Bootcamp, and you will realize how easy it is for you to start making the changes in your life so that you will achieve the success that you are looking for and truly become unstoppable. Take care. Bye. Be unstoppable. Click on the link below. Bye. See you soon. Bye.